Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Chevy Cruze, that's what we'll be working today, guys, on. If you have Chevy Cruze that the front door does not lock or unlock, guys, okay, with the central locking system, let's say you press the button and the door doesn't lock, unlock, or just one of those, guys, let's say it doesn't unlock or doesn't lock, we'll explain, guys, what causes that and how to fix it. Quick introduction, guys. We have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze, guys, and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. And why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you guys need any parts for your car or any tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get everything for a really good price and fast shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So what, guys, opens, okay, what locks and unlocks your door? Okay, the same device that opens and closes your door now. This is called, guys, door lock actuator. We have everything removed here on that Chevy Cruze. If you want to see how to remove it and how to replace it, we have the video on the channel. But this is, guys, the device that unlocks and locks your door. Okay, the wiring harness for that door lock actuator goes right here. And this is, guys, the wiring harness. Now, what could go wrong, guys? 8 out of 10 times it will be a bad door lock actuator. Eventually, guys, they do wear out. They have most of them have plastic wheels on the inside that when they turn too much, eventually they wear out or they crack, and as a result the door may be making funny noises and not lock or unlock itself. So this is, guys, the door lock actuator right here. However, in some other cases, guys, it may not be the door lock actuator. Sometimes it could be a loose wire that came loose, or we've seen, guys, quite often when people replace door lock actuator or window regulator, something, you're supposed to position your cables and retainers where they're supposed to be. Like this one is supposed to stay right here, so that way, okay, the window, when it goes up and down, it does not catch the cables. We've seen to where the window will go down and it will cut or pull the cables out of the connectors, and as a result, guys, your door will not lock or unlock itself, and you can cause damage to your window regulator that way as well. So things to check for: make sure the wiring harness is good, it's not broken, make sure that it's plugged in, okay, and from that point on, most likely it's a bad door lock actuator. Now, sometimes you have to make sure that you don't have a broken wire there where the door opens and closes, because I've seen that happen on cars as well, so that will be something that you need to check. But as I said, guys, 8 out of 10 times it will be just a door lock actuator. They just stop functioning correctly after a while. So if you guys want to see how to remove and how to replace it, we'll have the video on the channel. Check it out. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.